Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy and I'm from Reva Chic. Today we're going to do a quick little video to show you how to do a faux finish on your special piece. Now normally you would put this finish on, say, a furniture piece, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to do it on a small decor piece. That way you kind of have an idea of what this looks like. Also, if you like the tool that I used today, I will be posting it in the description part so that you can just click on that link and it will take you to the tool. Also, if you like today's video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's free. Give me a thumbs up and also click on that notification bell up there so that every time I post a new video, you will be notified. All right, well, let's start doing this. Today's piece here is we have a box that has been painted a light gray. So you can see that it's light gray. And just to show you the definition of what this faux wood grain looks like, I'm gonna be doing the topper with a black color. And these are the tools that we're gonna be using. And like I mentioned earlier, I will be posting the link to these if you like them. Okay, so all you do is I'm gonna grab your brush with some paint on it. And we're going to start painting this black. Make sure that you put a good amount on there. We're not going to wait for it to dry because right away you're going to want to start doing this. All right, so now we got that on. You take your tool and you go in and out, or up and down as they would say it. Now it's kind of hard on this side, but now you can see that. Now there might be some parts right here, but don't worry because they have a smaller one. So you take your small tool, and if you want to just, at this point, you can do whatever you want with it. You kind of make your own little design and stuff like that. But that's how that is done. So if you enjoyed today's little short video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and click on that notification bell so every time I post a video, you will be notified. And like I mentioned earlier, the product that I used today, the tool to make the faux wood grain, will be posted in the description. All right, well, see you guys next time. Bye.